Before you buy truck seat covers, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most look tough but fall apart after a few spills or dog trips. Real buyers complain about seams splitting, fabric melting in heat, or covers sliding around while driving. Today, I'm showing you the 5 that actually hold up. Product number 1, URPOWER Dog Hammock Seat Cover. First up is the URPOWER Dog Car Seat Cover, a heavy-duty hammock-style protector that's built for trucks with pets. At $38.51, it's priced right for what it delivers: serious protection without breaking the bank. If you've got a dog that rides shotgun or jumps in the back, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's made from 600D Oxford fabric, which is the same material used in hiking backpacks, so it resists tears and scratches from claws. The 4-layer design includes a waterproof barrier, so mud, drool, or accidents don't soak through to your seats. Plus, the side flaps with zippers protect your doors and make it easier for older dogs to climb in. It fits most mid-sized trucks and covers the entire back seat, and over 10,000 people bought it last month, which says something. Now, some people complained about the fit being too loose on wider truck benches. Here's the thing though, it comes with seat anchors and headrest straps to tighten it down. If your truck has unusually wide or contoured seats, you might need to adjust it a few times, but for most standard truck setups, it stays put. Also, while it's labeled as universal, double-check your seat length. It works best around 54 inches. This is perfect for you if you regularly drive with dogs, haul messy gear, or just want full backseat protection. Skip this one if you only need front seat coverage or drive a compact truck with non-standard seating. For under $40, it's a no-brainer for pet owners. Product number 2, Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. Next is the Skechers Men's Memory Foam Seat Covers. Yes, the shoe brand makes seat covers and they're surprisingly good. At $50.20, they're a bit pricier, but you're paying for comfort that actually feels like a premium upgrade. If you spend hours driving and your stock seats feel like park benches, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The memory foam contours to your body, reducing pressure on your lower back, something long-haul drivers or commuters will appreciate. The top layer uses air-cool mesh, which keeps you from sweating through your jeans in summer. It's also airbag compatible, so you don't have to worry about safety systems being blocked. Over 4,000 sold last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the brand reputation and build quality suggest it's solid. Now, some people might be turned off by the men's label, but honestly, these work for anyone. The fit is universal and the design is neutral black. The bigger issue, it only covers the seat bottom, not the backrest, so it won't protect against spills climbing into the seat. Also, the leather-like material can get hot in direct sun if you park outside all day. This is perfect for you if you want comfort over rugged protection, great for daily driving, rideshare, or older trucks with worn-out seats. Skip this one if you need full coverage or haul dirty tools regularly. For the price, it's a solid comfort upgrade. Product number 3, Smart ELF2 Pack Seat Protectors. Now, if the Skechers covers left you wanting more coverage, the Smart ELF2 Pack Seat Protectors might be your answer. At $37.23, you get 2 heavy-duty protectors that cover both the seat and backrest, ideal for trucks with kids or pets. If you're tired of cleaning car seats every weekend, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These use 600D Oxford fabric with a high-temp resistant layer, so they won't melt or transfer dye onto light-colored seats, a common complaint with cheaper covers. The non-slip backing and adjustable straps keep them locked in place, even when kids are climbing in and out. Each protector includes mesh pockets for toys or snacks, which is a small but useful touch. Over 4,000 sold last month shows real demand. Now, some people complain the fit is a bit tight on deeper bucket seats, especially in newer trucks. Here's the thing though, they're designed for standard 18x 19-inch seats, so if yours are larger, you might notice some pulling. Also, while they're waterproof, the top layer isn't as breathable as mesh-backed options, so long drives in summer can feel a bit sticky. This is perfect for you if you've got young kids, use car seats often, or want full front and back protection without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you have deeply contoured or racing-style seats. For under $40, it's a smart buy for family trucks. Product number 4, Cat Mesh Flex Gray Seat Covers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for work trucks, the Cat Mesh Flex Gray Seat Covers. With no listed price but strong sales at $3,000 plus last month, these are built for people who treat their truck like a tool. If you need durability that matches your work boots, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The polycotton blend is tough enough for job sites, resisting dirt, sweat, and daily wear, while the honeycomb mesh back keeps airflow moving so you're not sitting in a sauna. They're airbag compatible, which is critical, and the form-fitting design uses anchor bars to stay snug. Cat's branding isn't just for show, these are made to handle real abuse. Now, some people complained about the gray color showing dust and grease over time. Here's the thing though, these aren't meant to stay pretty, they're meant to protect. A quick wipe or vacuum keeps them functional. Also, they don't include headrest covers, so if your headrests are worn, you'll need separate protection. This is perfect for you if you drive a work truck, haul tools, or just want no-nonsense durability. Skip this one if you want full interior coverage or drive a luxury truck. It's a workhorse, not a showpiece. Product number 5, Cat Mesh Flex Black Seat Covers. Finally, if the gray cat covers aren't your style, the Cat Mesh Flex Black version offers the same tough build with a cleaner look. At $44.93, it's slightly more expensive, but the black hides dirt better and gives your cab a sharper appearance. If you want durability with a bit more polish, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Same polycotton fabric, same airbag-safe stitching, same breathable mesh, just in a color that doesn't scream "I just came from a construction site." It fits most trucks with removable headrests and installs in minutes with the included guide. Over 2,000 sold last month shows it's a trusted choice. Now, some people expected it to include backseat covers too, but it's only front seats. Here's the thing though, most truck owners prioritize front seat protection since that's where the driver sits. If you need full coverage, you'd need to buy additional pieces, which adds cost. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, low-maintenance cover that still looks good. Skip this one if you need full row coverage or have non-removable headrests. For under $45, it's a smart investment for daily drivers. So which one's best? For pet owners, go URPOWER. Need comfort? Skechers delivers. Full protection for kids, smart ELF. Work truck durability, either cat model, gray for function, black for style. All 5 solve real problems most covers ignore. Pick the one that matches your truck life and your seats will thank you.